Hey yo, people, you might want to check this out. It is constantly, whoa, it is constantly lightning out here. We're on a severe thunderstorm watch and warning. Um, um, yeah, that's my LEDs. Can I try to, block that? Is this working? I don't know. There's lightning going on over there. Lightning constantly striking everywhere. It looks like a tornado is about to hit, bruh. Maybe I can. Whoa. Maybe I can try to, zoom it in. Sorry for all the weird snow things on my camera. Wow. Alright, this short's about to end, so. Bye bye.